Good afternoon, guys. Happy Thursday, everyone. Ayan, tanghalian na. Pinagluto ko si Daddy Mike ng kanyang steak. Ayan. Palagay din siya ng mushroom sa ibabaw. Tapos, healthy living. Meron din siyang baby spinach dyan. Although yung iba ay nalaya naman yung dahon sa spinach ay. Manangkong sa ta. Lagyan pa natin a bit more. Yan. So, kumain ako kanina. Spaghetti yung kinain ko, guys, habang nagdanap si Baby Celine. So, yung spaghetti na binili natin from the Filipina restaurant yesterday. Anyways, this is what it looks like now. Yan. Serve na natin kay Senyor. Your lunch, Daddy.
Thank you, Mama. Salamat, kap kung kap. Alay maklug.
Daddy's working hard.
I'm working very hard.
Very, very hard. Well, our baby Celine is here. What are you eating? What's this? Hmm? What is that? It's apple. Yeah, can you say apple? Ginawan ko siya nito. Yung kanyang ham and cheese na wrap. And strawberries. And this apple. And you know what? She prefers to eat the apple like that. Yung malaki ba na kinakagat-kagat niya. Kumpara sa kapag kinakat ko, ayaw niya. Nak, no? What's your favorite, Nak? Apple or banana? Apple or banana? Hmm? Good. Kakagising lang nito from her nap. And kumakain. We'll get ready soon. Pick up Ate Paris. Nasa school. Nag-aaral para sa ika-unlad ng bayan. Diba, anak? Yes, madam? Madam? Gawa tayo ng listahan, guys, kasi mag-grocery na naman tayo mamaya. Walang katapusang grocery. Hindi naman kasi pwedeng mag-stock ka ng maraming especially yung sinasabi ko lang yung milk, ganun, yung mga fresh na, kasi kapag yung milk, meron siyang expiry date, yung fresh milk dito ay 4 days, at least, I don't know. 5 days, you reckon, Daddy? Forget like the fresh milk, like how long can we keep it? Like used by date normally.
You just need to buy new one every 3 or 4 days.
Yeah.
But that one at the top, you can drink that whenever.
Yeah, the long life. Yeah. But with fruit, hindi naman kasi pwede ding bumili ng maraming fruit kasi ang tawag dito? Hindi siya nakakain lahat. So especially yung mga ganito, ayan. So, pag bumili ka dito ng dalawa, hindi pa naubos yung isa. Yung isa, rotten na.
5 minutes later.
Okay, give Daddy a kiss. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Kiss, Ma. Ma. I love you, Daddy.
See you, Daddy.
Love you, Daddy.
Love you too. Say bye-bye, Dida. We'll go and pick up Ate Paris. No, guys. Maglalakad lang kami. Good luck sa amin. Yun yung plano namin. Kasi itong isa ayaw talaga palagay sa kanyang prom.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, how's your phone better, Daddy?
I don't know. It's good for now, but I'll find out more when I can use it properly.
Yeah. But it's good though, like battery, camera-wise, everything's good?
Well, I've been using it since this morning.
Okay, was it fully charged this morning?
But I think there's something like wrong with the. I think it's got like I think it's the screen's being replaced with a non-Apple screen or something before.
Really?
Yeah, because it's saying like I can't do that face login and something or whatever. Sheets. Anyway, it doesn't matter.
That's not very nice if she didn't disclose that to you.
Well, I don't know if it's. I don't know if it's the. I don't know. I don't really understand. It just.
Yeah. Anyways, until ngayon guys, wala pa rin natatanggap si daddy na news from the Philippine Airlines. Maybe they're using your phone already. Did you try to call him back?
Yeah, so many times.
Wala na siguro eh. Hindi na siguro yun maibabalik. Katulad ng alam niyo ba, nung umuwi kami ng Pinas, so di ba pinick up kami ng family ko sa Maynila. So, yung mama ko, yung sister ko, yung brother ko, tapos yung isang pamangkin ko. So, domestic flight from Manila to Cagayan de Oro. May mga bags kami, may dalang mga hand carry din. Nung nakarating na kami ng bahay, doon pa napansin na wala yung isang bag. So, yung bag na yun, bag yun ng sister ko. Kasi naghanap sila ng charger ng phone. So, ngayon, asa na yung charger? Asa na ang bag? Wala na. So, binalikan namin yung mga video namin, yung vlogs, ganun. Nung pauwi kami galing Manila. Wala talagang nakita na bit-bit galing sa aeroplano. So, we know na dinala yung bag papasok sa aeroplano, Cebu Pacific yun. And then, nung pababa na kami ng Cagayan de Oro, wala na yung bag. Nakalimutan na, kasi yung sister ko, pinasa sa sa kapatid kong youngest namin ba. So ngayon, kasi nag-exchange sila ng upuan, kasi yung upuan ng youngest brother ko ay malapit sa exit ba. Tapos sabi kasi baka in-exchange sila ng kapatid ko. Kasi yung brother ko daw ay hindi parang capable ba if ever may emergency yung ganun. So in-exchange sila ng kapatid ko. So ngayon, nakalimutan na, akala ng sister ko na bit-bit pa rin ng brother ko yung bag niya. So pagdating sa bahay, nagpanik ng lahat kasi wala na doon yung bagaheng isa. And then yun na nga, kinontak yung Cebu Pacific. Pag kinukontak yung Cebu Pacific, sinasabi na you have to contact the airport. Pag airport naman yung kinukontak, sinasabi na you have to contact Cebu Pacific. So, parang hinahandball ka lang ba? Anyways, nung pumunta kami ng Cebu, pinuntahan talaga namin yung kasi pumunta kami ng airport. So, pinuntahan namin yung parang lost and found nila. Hinanap namin yung Cebu Pacific na sa Cagayan de Oro sa airport. Nilabas nung guard yung logbook kasi normally daw kapag may naiwan sa aircraft ay nilalagay doon sa logbook. Tiningnan doon yung description and black Prada backpack, ganun. Wala daw guys. Sabi nila, yung date na flight namin, wala daw doon. Wala daw na i-report na may naiwan sa aircraft. So we think na yung bag, siguro kasi walang kumuha. Maybe, some of the few last passengers sa aircraft, maybe pinick up nila yung bag kasi inisip nila ay naiwan yan. So, like seriously, no, like bakit mo naman dadalhin kung hindi sa iyo? Like anong gagawin mo doon? Yes, I know, yung phone, yung iPhone 7 Plus ng kapatid ko nandun sa loob ng bag. But mostly some cash, but mostly mga papilis ba? Mga passbook, yung mga ID, yung mga ganun. So, iniisip ko, ano bang gagawin niya doon sa mga ID? Uy, kahit yun na lang sana yung ibabalik. But, of course, hindi na yun ibabalik. Kasi, kung iisipin, may makukuha siya sa loob ng bag, di ba? Yung cellphone, yung cash, ganun. So, wala na. So, hindi na talaga siya naibalik. Goodbye na talaga siya. So, hindi na nakita ng sister ko yung mga ID and also, kailangan niyang kumuha ng mga affidavit of loss sa attorney para kumuha ulit ng mga passbook, ng ID. Buti na lang, dala ko yung old phone ko. Yun yung kasi binigay ko sa kanya yung iPhone 12 ko, binigay ko sa kanya, di ba? Kaya, yun yung ginamit niya nung umuwi kami ng Cagayan de Oro. Tapos, nilagay niya sa kanyang bag yung kanyang lumang phone na iPhone 7. So, kaya yun yung nawala. But, siguro naman, no, hindi ko talaga maintindihan guys, bakit ganyan yung mga tao. Yung kung nakita mo na naiwan, dapat sana dinrap off mo na lang sa, sa lost and found, sabihin na ganito, ganyan, naiwan sa aeroplano, or kahit i-hand mo na lang sa, Cebu Pacific na flight attendants, sabihin mo may nakaiwan para mabalikan ba? Imposible na talaga, pag Pinas na, imposible talaga yung ganyan guys. Labas na kami, guys. Kunin ko lang yung pram. Come back here. What is that? Come back here. Ayan, naipasok ko na, guys. Ayan, binigyan ko ng kanyang snacks. Ready, steady, go? Yes? Alis na kami. Kaya maglalakad pa tayo. It's good kasi hindi naman siya masyadong init, guys. Alam nyo kasi, gustong-gusto ni Ate Paris na maglakad. So, every time na pinipick up ko siya, sinasabi niya sa akin na, Mami, I would love to walk kasi kapag dinadrop siya ng kanyang tatay, walking sila. Kaya sabi niya, gusto daw niyang maglakad kasi mas na-enjoy niyang maglakad ba. I understand naman na boring naman talaga. Boring naman talaga kapag nasa car. Gusto niyang mabulaklak, mga ganun. So sabi niya, pwede ba next time maglakad na lang daw kami? Sabi ko, gusto ko naman ding maglakad, nak. Pero itong kapatid niyang isa ay oh, very bright. Minsan hate niya ang pram, ayaw niya magpalagay. So nahihirapan ako. But this time nagpalagay man siya, oh. Tapos yung breeze ay hindi mainit. Kung walang hangin, mainit talaga siya, guys. Pero kung ano lang naman, kung may hangin ay hindi siya medyo malamig yung simoy ng hangin niya. Then meron tayong natanggap na parcel. We'll open that later. Kaya kailangan na nating maglakad papunta doon kasi baka malate tayo sa pag-pick up. Kawawa naman. May payong pa ako dito, guys. Magpayong ako, no? May na ako mag-vlog. Alam niyo ba yung payong na yan? Binili ko yan siya sa Pinas. Yung may mga online, mga live selling ba? So, binili ko yan. Kasi very light lang. And, nung nasa kami, Melbourne kami, never akong nagpayong, guys. But, iba kasi talaga yung init dito sa Brisbane, sa Queensland. Napakainit, sobra. Nangangagat. Mas mainit pa sa Pinas. Naku! Kaya sabi ko, dadalhin ko yung payong na yan. So, yan. Yun bang payong na natutupi? Yung, siya ba? Pwede siyang lumiit. Yan yung dala. Tapos, may bit-bit tayo dyan. Mamaya, pag pinick up natin sa Ate Paris, kailangan natin i-post yan. Punta tayo ng post office. Yan yung benta ni mami nyo kahapon. See, dito kasi, guys, very hilly. Tingnan niyo, oh. Check natin ang ating baby Silinbi. Kumusta ang kanyang kalagayan. Break. Are you alright there, alam? Alang-alang ni Mama. Wait, Mama will help me. I'll help. Shush. Been a good girl, my love. Here you go. Plastic.
Nah.
You want this too? You have to put that in the bin. Say hi sa here, babe. Say hi, tita and tito. No? Joel, dito, yapon ka na?
Yeah.
No. No. Show your teeth. Where's your teeth? Where's your teeth? Isnab lagi ka na. Alright, let's go na. Dito na kami. Sobrang bilis lang talaga, guys. Hilly lang siya. Pero sobrang lapit lang. Ito yung disadvantage kapag nada-drive ako, guys, na pick upin sa Titares. Kasi tingnan nyo ang parking. Yan. Full. Ganitong oras pa lang, ha? So, it's currently 2:45. And yung labas nila is 3. But dito, puno na yan sila lahat dyan. So, mahirapan ka maghanap ng parking. So, this is the advantage kapag naglakad. Actually, first time kong naglakad na mag-pick up kay Ate Paris since nag-start siya ng school. And sobrang lapit lang. But ito, she is being a really good girl. Are you going to see Ate Paris? Are you excited? Are you excited? Here. Open. Oh. There you go. May isang bata doon. Ari para si siya na, guys, ah. Tingnan niyo, laro-laro pa more. Hala. Hala. You wanna go down too? Okay. Go. Guess what, Ate?
What?
We are walking home. You tired from running around? Huh? Ay, shush! Nagpalagay na dyan. Come on, let's go now. How was your day? Good? What did you do? Did you eat your lunch? Did you?
I ate one
No, look at here.
sandwich.
Look at me. Did you eat your lunch?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Mama will check your lunchbox, okay? Okay. Let's go. Tingnan nyo. Wala sumakay dyan. Walang hirap niyan i-push. We're going to the post office. Ayan, oh. Everyone's walking. Kaya gusto niyang mag-walking. Yes, anak. Okay, my love.
Beautiful flowers, really beautiful.
Whereabouts?
I'll show you when we get there.
Okay. That would be nice. I would love to see it.
It's the same one, the pink one. It's the same.
Oh, yeah?
But I just want to show you. I just want to get one, and I want to show you too.
Okay.
Mine, that's a bird.
Bird.
I thought it was a duck. Or maybe a butterfly.
Ah, that's too high.
Butterflies can only fly low.
Mm-hmm.
They can go really high. Oh, there's a butterfly over there. Right over there. Even though
I'll show you the white one. Hang on. So, ayan guys. Nalagay ko na siya sa kanyang sisidlan. Ate Paris wants envelope. I don't think meron silang envelope. Maliliit. Nak, I don't think they have it lang.
we can just get tiny ones.
No, keep going.
Mine's only tiny.
Yeah, not that one lang because that's expensive and that's only one. You need more because I know you. Gusto ko yung mga puting envelopes lang sana ba? Yung maliliit. See, that's $1 and it's only one. It's only one.
What one?
There's only one envelope. I'll get you like, I'll go to Office Works tomorrow and print your photo for your teacher, you know, your baby photo.
I have to get it tomorrow.
And I'll bring you more, okay?
Tomorrow isn't my special day.
Okay.
I remember that mirror thing.
Yes.
I hold it like my mirror.
Ang cute ng mga hair pin nila. Handmade. Yes lang?
I really want to buy this, but this is too expensive because check.
Yeah, I know. Oh, it's our turn. Sorry. Alrighty. I like the blue better. Yay! The blue one. Ah!
The blue one's your favorite?
If we bump into
How's school, guys?
each other.
How's school?
Ay, kakauwi lang namin.
Fine.
Yes.
Any more?
Who did you play with today?
Yeah, I'll give one to you later.
Give me one
Who
now.
did you play with today?
My wobble
Wait.
one now.
Who did you play with today?
asking you something na.
Who else?
You know what? I was crying
Why?
because I no one was playing with
Ah, some grapes.
Because no one was playing with
Ayan, so na-post na natin yung bag.
Because no one was playing with the girl.
And you know what? Because
Violet.
But did you
regular na akong
No.
ship, right?
Miss
So I got like Australia Post account. So meron na akong like discount every time na nag-ano. Hindi malaking discount guys yung postage, but at least merong konting discount,
Yeah?
Good girl.
which is really good.
It's very nice of your parents. Because it's sad if no one plays with you, isn't it? So you're a good girl for doing that.
Strawberry, yummy, yummy.
It's not nice.
Yeah, that one's nice. We come here, be Shelby.
This is the one, the white one, not black.
Oh yeah. Daddy got new jerseys. I like this one and the blue one. The other one doesn't suit you.
Yes, it does.
The turtleneck.
I look at it English.
It looks big. No, it looks big on you.
I look at it English, not the black.
Dadalhin ko sana to sila sa park kanina, guys. Kaya lang naisipan ko na nilabas ko pala yung beef bones kanina kasi gusto kong sinigang magsabaw mamayang gabi. Yes, ate.
Can I have this now?
After the
Did you
strawberry.
eat your lunch?
Some.
And did you eat the rest? Are you going to eat the rest now?
I gave her some. Because I opened the lunchbox. Yeah, actually this one here. Here you go.
Put down here.
And then, kasi nga, beef bun, so kailangan siyang palambutin muna. Kailangan ko mag-start ngayon para ilang oras din yung pagpapakulo pa. Para ma-ready na siya tonight.
They carry me down.
So, it's...
Carry me down.
ano yata ngayon? 4. Nak, did you like the walk, Mac?
Yeah. I'm a tiger.
Kunin ako ng tubig, guys. Ano ko lang yung mga buto-buto. Kasi before ko siya nilulunod sa tubig. Ano tawag doon, guys? Parang nilalagay ko muna siya sa pan para hindi siya kung sa isda pa hindi siya malangsab yung sabaw. Hi, Princey. Oop! You okay? Oh, you're a strong girl. So, ayan. Ang ating meat. So, gusto ko siya, guys, kasi kahit buto-buto, meron pa siyang mga laman. What's wrong? Come here. Come. Come to mama. Pinagpapa-brown ko lang ba? see, Ate Paris asking if you want to watch TV with her. Oh. Ah. Ayaw! Hindi ka! Ininit ko ang aking putumaya, guys. Come here, my sweet little girl. Look! Look! Ayama! Nyam nyam! Hmm? You happy? Are you happy? Babe? Wow! Yummy, yummy! Have a look up. Sky, oh! Sky! No! Ang bagay ka ng bata. Look up, oh! I think this is yours. I-open natin. I think this is for you, Ling. Nam. What? Okay. Meron magbato eh. Oh. It's more headband for Celine. Look! Look! More headband for you! Wow! Grabe ah. Sobrang cute nito eh. Look oh! Another headband bow. Ganda ng print. Share clip for Ate Paris para sa kanyang school. Kasi-blue yung pin. Another. Ayan. Wow, dami naman ng bow ng baby Celine. Wow, sobrang cute naman. Sa eBay ko to siya binili, guys. Very cheap. Sobrang cute. Look. Look, oh. Wow. What? Let's turn the light off. No? No? Why not? I love you. I love you. Take this off. Shoot off. Sabi, shoot off. Yan, nag-brown na siya, guys. Saka ko pa sa ilulunod sa tubig. Tapos, papakuluan natin for how many hours? Dada, gusto nyo itong magdidi. Ay, lalok lang oh, nag-aso-aso lang ha. Murag ang gugma ko kanimo. You want didi? Gusto mo rin kong mag-didi. Ha? Look! We're showing you something from you should be right. Dito sila. Alam niyo guys, wala kasi kaming malaking ano dito, spot ba? Yung ginagamit ko dito siya, pero Deep naman siya. Daddy! Deep naman siya, so okay lang. There you go. There you go. Hang on. Tapos, tatakpan lang yan siya. Mama! Padede ko muna itong batang ito. The tissue is there, ate, oh. It's on the side. Hey, look. What would you like? Didi?
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue.
Give some to Daddy. Ay, to Ate Paris. Give to Paris. Ka? Ang lagi ka ng green. Good girl. Come on. Want some, Daddy?
Last watermelon I got was good.
This one? Oh, hindi ka pa nagbihis na. Strawberry. This one will get like a good strawberry. This is nice. Change na yung clothes na. This one's eating. Yum, yummy. So good, guys. Very soft na ang ating meat. Tingnan nyo. Natatanggal na siya from the bones. At isang sakong bigas. Ready for the... Masuhinan! What's wrong? Hain na natin ang ating dinner. Kasi, matatapos na si Daddy Mike sa kanyang work. So, it's 7 o'clock. And, i-ready ko lang ito. It smells so good. It smells so good. Tapos, rice. Work pang ating nalimaki. Tingnan nyo. Ano pa siya natapos? Finishing sandali? And ang dalawa ay nandito. Oy! What you doing? Where's the Paris?
Over here.
She hiding?
I'm right here.
Okay, ready for dinner na? Yummy! Ooh! You okay? Yummy! 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 Yummy in the tummy! Bahaya na naman yan siya.
Let's
1, 2.
there.
There you are. There you are. Found you.
Not funny.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Dala. Bata nga aga sinamok. I'm cleaning the bed na. Sinamok ka, oh.
Right. No.
No.